Every day, millions of Indians navigate unfamiliar roads, whether it's a late night commute, a trip to a new city, or just walking home. Google Maps tells you the fastest route, but it doesn't tell you the safest one. That's the problem we are solving. This is Raahi, a safety aware navigation platform built especially for Indian cities. Raahi works like any navigation app. You enter a start and destination, but instead of just showing you the fastest route, Raahi fetches up to two alternate routes and runs each one through our 8-factor safety scoring. Every route gets a safety score from 0 to 100, color-coded green and amber. You can see at a glance which route is the safest and which is the fastest. Let me show you. I will search for a route from Patna to Bida. You can see that Route 1 scored 74, while Route 2 scored 72. Obviously, Route 1 is the fastest one and safest one also in this case. Now, I will walk you through what's happening under the hood. Our safety engines analyzes 8 independent factors for every route, most running in parallel for speed. Here is the big breakdown. Factor 1. Street lighting, 30% weight. We query the overpass API in real time to count every street lamp within 50 meters of the route corridor using OpenStreetMap data. 20 or more lamps per kilometer, perfect score. Factor 2. Historical crime, 15%. We use NCRB crime records, murder, kidnapping, stalking, hit and run, matched to the district to the route passed through. Factor 3. Government accident data, 15% weight. Live data from data.gov.in, Indians Open Government Data Portal. We fetch NCRB 2022 traffic fatality and injury rates for the city and the state. Factor 4. Community report, 10% weight. Users can report safety hazards directly from the map. Poor lighting, theft, low crowds. These geotag reports feedback into a safe score that others see in real time. Factor 6. Popular places, 10% weight. We check how close the route passes to police stations, hospitals, and fire stations. More safe zones nearby means a higher score. Factor skip, space zone proximity, 10% weight. This is a novel map. No API call needed. We analyze the geometry of the route itself. Coordinate density, turn frequency, segment clustering to estimate how urban and foot traffic the area is. More people means more witnesses means safer. And finally, time of day and weather, 5% each. Late night travel between 11 p.m. and 5 a.m. gets a penalty. Rain, fog, or thunderstorms from the Open Weather API also reduce the score. Now, we were transparent about our data. 6 out of 8 factors use live real-time data. Overpass API, Open Weather, data.gov.in, and users reports via Superbase and Postgres. I would like to show you how the user can report a problem he or she might have faced during his or her journey. So we will so here we can browse any image from a folder in and type in our city and state and type in our description and it will be posted like this. Also, we have an analysis dashboard which will obviously helpful for researchers in analyzing the crime rates of our city. On the tech side, Rahi is built with Next.js 15 using the app router, TypeScript, end-to-end, MapWalk.js for the map, Just for state, and Superbase, which Postgres for the database and all. Routing comes from OSRM, street lamp data from OpenStreetMap via Overpass, weather from OpenWeather, accident data from data.gov.in, and SMS from Twilio. The safety engine alone is over 650 lines of TypeScript, and scoring a route takes under 2 seconds thanks to parallel API calls. We built Rahi because safety shouldn't be an afterthought in navigation. Every route decision is also a safety decision, and we think people deserve the data to make that choice. Rahi, don't just find the fastest route, find the safest one. Thank you.